Alright guys, so this is a video for setting up a Hive. If you've just had a recent boiler installed and you've got a Hive now on your system, as you know, it'll be set up and linked to your phone. But if you forgot how to use the actual Hive itself, which is the thermostat, I was going to give you a quick overview. This is the actual unit itself. It should be mounted either on a wall or on a stand. This little back bracket comes off. This is what goes on the wall. Obviously, as you can see, the batteries are in there. So we'll put this back together. I've just taken it off the wall for now. You'll probably keep seeing a reflection of me and the camera in it, but that's just because it's got quite a reflective front. So on the actual Hive itself, you've got 3 buttons along the bottom and 1 button and knob in the middle. So if you touch any of these buttons or the knob, it'll start to illuminate like it just has done now. On this one, you can see you've got off and off on your hot water and on your heating. You might just have a heating set up. So I'm going to quickly go through everything on how to actually set up your heating and set up your hot water after that. So heating first. As this times out, it'll keep doing it as I'm talking the way through. But if we click here on the 3 lines in the middle, this will take you into the settings. And as you can see on the top of the line, you've got heat, hot water, holiday and settings. The only thing you need to go on to for your central heating is heat. To select that, you press this button in the middle. And now it gives you schedule, manual and off. Now on that, I'd scroll across. It's currently set to off. So I'll show you manual first. This is just how to quickly turn it on. Again, select that one with the knob in the middle. And it'll ask you, do you want to confirm heat manual? And to confirm it, you hit this green tick in the bottom corner. And as you can see, the heating's come on because the temperature that it's picking up in the room is 19 degrees. And the temperature that it's trying to achieve is set to 20 degrees. And we can adjust that. If it's too cold or you want to increase it, you can turn this knob here. And obviously, as you can see, the temperature will rise. And just so you know what the setting actually is, you've got it in the top right here. So this is your heating and it's in manual. So we'll go back into the settings for you. Heating, yes. Scroll across to off, yes. And then the green tick to confirm it. And as you can see, it's reverted back to off. So I'll go back out of this. Go back into the settings. Select heat again. And now we'll go into schedule. So schedule is your timer. So if we select the schedule and now start over, self-explanatory. If we scroll across, this will reset your timer. So it'll go back to the factory settings. Now this, I think, is set up on the factory settings, or it could have been slightly adjusted. But to adjust it, if we go into view, edit and current and select it with the key, and now it'll let you choose the days that you want to select. So if you want it Monday to Friday, obviously we'll start with Monday. Again, to select it, you press the knob in the center and it lets you scroll through the times. Select it, lets you adjust the actual time itself, and then the temperature and the time for it to go off. And once you're happy with your times, you can select that and it'll ask you if you'd like to copy that day. So in this case, yes, we'll copy Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And then we'll select that with the green key at the bottom. And then this takes us back to the main menu. Now to actually select that, we'll go into heat again, schedule, and this time we'll select resume. And then the green key will let us have those times set. And what you'll see on the main screen now So as you can see on the main screen now, our heating is set to schedule and it's displayed across the top here. Again, this will keep timing out as I'm talking. And if you wanted to go back out of this, again, heat, manual and tick, and we just revert back to the controls being on manual, so you can turn it on and turn it off. If you find it reaches temperature and you want to turn it off, you can turn it right down low on here. Again, all this has to be is lower or higher than this reading, and that will determine the boiler is on or off. As you can see, the little symbol's gone, so we've got no heating on at the moment. As we turn this up, it'll time out. And as we turn it back on, the heating's come on. So, quick overview of your heating, how you turn your heating on, how you set your timer, and how you turn your heating off. And these controls all work exactly the same. If your device is set for heating and hot water, as this one is, exactly the same in hot water settings. If we select that, oh, excuse me. And as you can see, always off, always on, or schedule. And the schedule is set exactly as it was previously on the heating. So if we turn always on for the hot water, you'll see in this top icon here, it's now set to be on. And now we've switched it back off. I hope it's helpful, and I hope you got something from this. If not, please leave some comments, and obviously I can improve the videos and make them a little bit better, a little bit more user-friendly. It is tricky to use this device. Once you've got the hang of it, I think it does become very easy. But equally, if you can download it onto your phone and get it installed with the hub, once it links up to your smartphone, it's as easy as setting an alarm on your phone if you know how to do that. I will go through and do another tutorial of using it on your phone, but I think if your phone ever isn't nearby or you're working from home or anything like that, then you can use this device, which will be mounted on your wall or on a stand, somewhere either in a hallway or away from a radiator preferably.